Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're amazing day with smile because smile is a medicine of life. And yes, friends. So today we have come to Raj Ghat, and you can see this is the place. We can see like that place of Mahatma Gandhi, and there is a fire always lighting on. So it is, but the day is very much hot, and I think I'll be unable to stay over here for the long time. But anyway, this place is very beautiful, and from here we will continue this vlog and very few people because it is the daytime and so much heat over my head. You can see some of the foreigners are there, and very cool place, but I think this time is wrong, so let's see. But let me show you, like, yeah, this is the place, memorable place. Everyone comes over here. I think it's daytime, that's why there is no any crowd. We will continue with this in blog only, and I will show you so many things over here and there. You can see this place is very amazing, but this time is very bad, I will say, because too much heat. And my friend, it was last examination today, and just we finished and came here. He is so much exhausted and I think dehydrated. Earlier he was very excited, but now he is just going silently, not speaking anything, and now I'm getting energized and to speak enough in the video. This is my backside places. So let me introduce you, my friend, my college mate. So would you say anything? Are you in the? Just feel energetic. Oh yeah, here is Swamit.
Hello.
So
Hello.
it was our last examination today.
Yeah, right now, but today I'm not feeling good because
Too much heat.
you already told you
Even you know, I was.
place is very good, but
Thank you for that. But you know, literally in the starting, I was feeling very I was not speaking anything.
I think after going there we feel good, but
Can we
there
show
is
full
nothing
place
like
over
that.
here? So this is the place, and that is the main point. I don't know what do we call in English.
That is
Uh,
called the place of
like
Mahatma,
that's place of
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi ji. So there always a like lightning. There is always a firing lamp there. Place is very beautiful, and I don't know like these rods and for what purpose are here. I have no idea. But so many people are exploring. You can see even in the midday, it's very heat and so much heat. Still people exploring. Like even we are exploring in the overheating. I think my phone is going to shut down very soon because of it. And Swamit is saying to turn this side. I think not so much things we have to show you, but this place is very good. And yes, always as usual, I speak with you guys in this short vlogs. Like I'm an average English speaker. I think I'm also getting very exhausted. So even my English is not that much perfect, but I always try to speak whenever I get opportunities. So always be motivated, learn slowly. Yes, Samit, what do you say? We should not, we should never feel uncomfortable. We should talk whenever we are getting opportunity, right?
Yeah, right.
Because this is the best way to improve your English.
Yeah.
And
Because I have heard that speaking comes up speaking. That's why we are always
exactly.
speaking when we get our the time.
We know
Otherwise,
here.
we be silent. Then we can't improve in your English language.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why we.
And you know, even our English are average, but like
But
like in our surroundings, there are so many foreigners, like who are speaking very well English, but we have no care for that.
you know, right?
This is so much heat, and we are running, like wandering here and then for water, asking to everyone like where we will get water, but we have got nothing, and I have to run because I don't want to get thirsty. Samit, bro, please come. So I'm running for the only water. Hey bro, would you help us? क्या आप मेरी हेल्प करोगे? Do you know where will we get water? पानी.
पानी
हाँ.
पानी
कहाँ पे?
इसी तो नहीं
सीधे. Okay, thank you. Inside the video, so I think there were no so much fun. So finally this is the time we are leaving from here. So yeah, and you know, I forgot to show you this place and add it into this video. So this is a lake inside Rajghat. This is a very beautiful lake, and once you will come now, you will like it, you will enjoy, and you will be over here for the long time. There are so many birds, mostly swans, crows, and like swans and ducks. They are swimming inside the pond. So literally this is very beautiful place. And literally I like this one in this whole Rajghat area. I liked only this one, this beautiful place. And some of the guys, children, they are running behind a kite. So this place was really beautiful. I don't know why they are running. What happened to them? Suddenly I don't know what happened to them. They started running. So this place was really beautiful, and I'll be continue over here. We are going to that place. What is that place, Swamit bhai?
Rajghat.
No, that is the for which one?
Shakti Asthal.
Which one?
Shakti Asthal.
This is called something Shakti Sthal. Of which person?
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Okay, so this is for Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, one of the greatest Indian
Lal
leader.
Bahadur Shastri, and there is Gandhiji, and there is Indira Gandhi.
Gandhi ji was
Three person
also.
are
I
here.
think I was unable to explain that much because of we come in the middle of the day, so it was very hot. Even I think I was.
Mind was not working.
No, we were
properly.
thinking like if we will stay there for few more minutes, we will be our like lamp fire will be there within few minutes. It will be there. So there is the place of Indira Gandhi ji, and here this is about Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. And finally we have come here, and I think second time this again like we are coming. So between that those walls in a square safe surrounded, and there Gandhiji's lamp is firing like lightning, and this is behind me view. Basically we are heading back towards our home because it is evening time and I have to go. Yeah, that wall I was talking about. Yeah, between that, inside that I have added also in the starting those videos. What would you say about this place, this vast ground? And this is
काम हो रहा है तो अच्छा
up,
लग रहा है.
up and below that, below there, between those boundaries, Gandhiji's lamp fire is located.
I'm saying if getting down the day, are you feeling good? Eh?
Yeah. As you look like, as slowly, gradually, this sun is setting down, I am feeling really good and comfortable to speak with you, because in the starting I was really not in the condition and even in the mood to get and speak, get even fun and speak anything with you guys. But I got some of energies with water, water and like some half ice creams. Only these things we ate. Actually inside the Rajghat they do not allow any kind of food, so you will have to just finish it outside and then you may come inside, and only with just water. With water you can come and drink lot of waters. We have already explored those areas, so we are not going to explore again, and simply we will head towards there. This is the exit point, so I think we should we should exit this vlog, right, Shomit bro? What would you say? I think he's getting very bored because of this heat, too much heat. He got exhausted.
No, nothing like this sort.
Nothing like this. Okay. He's still energized, and that is really good thing. He will also motivate me to speak. And last place I will show you guys. This beautiful also lake, Lotus Lake, and actually it is an artificial lake, like designed with walls.
Naturally, you were saying they artificially.
No, like
Are
this
you not
lake
looking?
is like
This is
artificial. No, it is created with stones and cements kind of
only
wall.
stones and
But-
this ground is.
In which season we will saw here lotus flowers and all? I think this is not the season of lotus flowers. No, I think in the rainy season. So let's see when we are coming in the rainy season. Maybe at that time we will get opportunity to see this blooming lotus in this pond. And one thing you will usually see over here, this crow, these crows, but they are still beautiful. And this flower, which one flower do you need?
I don't know also about
Even
that.
I also don't know.
About
It's looking like lavender kind of flower, but very beautiful. I saw this flower. So finally, Swami told like he also wanted to make vlog, but I think he is not comfortable today because of so much heat. He got exhausted, and that's why he will not say anything. So guys, this is the entry point. Over there you have to like put off your shoes and then you can enter. And after you will enter, you will see something amazing inside the lamp, firing lamp of Mahatma Gandhi ji. And this entry, this is the entry place and also exit place. There is no any tickets, there is no any charges for entering. Just foods are not allowed, and place is really very beautiful, guys. So like this way you will go, and inside these walls, Mahatma Gandhi ji's firing lamp is located, like there inside. So there are a few people because it is sunny day na. We are in the middle of the, almost it is 5 o'clock, but still you can see very less people. And we have tried exploring so many things, and after that we are going to exit now. From here I will catch auto rickshaw and go to metro station, and literally I will remember this place most specifically that lake, Duck Lake. So Swamit, as this is the end of the vlog, would you say anything?
Yeah, yeah. But what to say?
We have nothing to say. How did you like, how you felt,
Health is very good.
and how did you feel
Health,
after coming
feeling
lake, that lake?
amazing.
So finally we have to end this vlog because we are going, and really I have to go to home. Thank you so much.